Good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are good and safe at home. Okay, so in the last part of the video, we had started our next chapter. That is your fourth chapter. That is adaptation in animal. Okay, so you know that all of us, including plants and animals, need to change in order to stay alive. Okay, and this process of changing to cope up with the change in environment is called adaptation. Okay, and your all living things adapt to survive. Okay, now you have seen many animals. Okay, there are many animals which live in different part of our world. Okay, now can you tell me now what happen if we bring a lion from the forest to a city? What do you think? What happen if we bring a lion from the forest to a city? What would happen? The forest is the natural habitat of that lion. Okay, you know what is a habitat? Where an animal live. Okay, or where an organism live. Okay, so what happen? What do you think if we take the lion from his natural habitat to a city? Yes, yes, maybe he would not be able to survive. Okay, so he will not be able to adopt the changes. Okay, he will not be able to change his habit. Okay, so how he will survive in that environment? Okay, and okay, you have seen the dinosaurs. Yes, in the movies or in the cartoons, right? Dinosaur dies how many years ago? Okay, so today we will find cat and dog around us. Okay, but we are not able to see the dinosaurs around us. Okay, centuries ago a large number of dinosaurs used to live on earth, right? They are used to live on earth. Okay, but now we do not find them anymore. You know why? You know why? It is believed that they could not adapt to the changing climate of the earth. Okay, they are not able to adopt the changing climate of the earth. That's why they die. Okay, and that's why we are not able to see them. Okay, you can see them in only in the movies and in the cartoons. Okay, so let's learn about the kind of adaptations in animals. Okay, in the last chapter we learn about the kind of adaptation in plants. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about the kind of adaptation in animals. Okay, so your first topic is adaptations to environment. Animals live in different places on the earth. Okay, you will see some animals live on the land. Okay, like your tiger, cat, dog, elephant, right? While other lives in water, right? Your fishes, like your fishes, right? And there are some animals which live both on land and in the water. Can you give me an example of such animal who live both on land and in the water? Yes, crocodile, right? And okay, crocodile, your turtle, right? And some animals fly in the air. Okay, and the place where an animal live is known as the habitat. It is the natural home of an animal. Okay, what is a habitat? Natural home of an animal. Okay, so your animals can be classified into 5 major categories based on their habitat. That is your terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians, arboreal and aerial. Okay, 5 types. Your plants are divided into 2 types, terrestrial and aquatic. Okay, but animals are divided into 5 types. Terrestrial, you know what is terrestrial? Means on land. Okay, aquatic means water, amphibians, arboreal and aerial animals. Okay, now let's watch a video.
Adaptations in animals. Animals live in different surroundings. The natural home of an animal is called its habitat. The physical features of the body and behavior help animals live in different habitats. Based on their habitats, animals can be classified as terrestrial, aquatic, arboreal, amphibious, xeric, and polar. Terrestrial animals are those that live on land. Animals which live in an extremely dry habitat are called xeric. The polar regions are situated near the poles, that is, the North Pole and the South Pole. The polar regions remain covered with snow throughout the year. Penguins and polar bears live in polar regions. Let us study how these animals are adapted to an extreme cold climate. Animals which live in water are called aquatic. Amphibious animals are those animals that are capable of living both on land and in water. Animals which spend most of their time on trees are called arboreals.
I hope all of you have watched the video carefully. So what we had discussed today, we have discussed about your adaptation, your habitat, and that animals are divided into 5 categories based on their habitat. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.